In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Grammarly for free, step by step, so you can start checking your spelling, grammar, and punctuation across your writing in just a few minutes. Grammarly's free plan gives you unlimited basic writing checks, plus limited access to AI writing assistance, which makes it a great tool if you want to write more clearly and confidently without paying anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Grammarly website. The easiest way to get started is by creating a free Grammarly account. Once you're on the site, look for the sign up or get started option, then enter your email address or continue with the available sign-in method. Follow the prompts to create your account and complete the setup. This account is what connects all of Grammarly's free features to your browser or desktop app. Now, if you want Grammarly to work directly inside websites like Gmail, Google Docs, LinkedIn, and other online platforms, the browser extension is the best place to start. To do that, navigate to the Grammarly extension store. On the extension page, click the button that says Get Grammarly, it's free. Your browser will then ask you to confirm that you want to add the extension. Click the Add Extension or Install button, depending on your browser, and wait for the installation to finish. Once the extension is installed, you'll usually see the Grammarly icon appear in your browser. If you don't see it right away, click the Extensions menu and pin Grammarly to your toolbar so it's easy to access. After that, log in using the same Grammarly account you just created. Once you're signed in, Grammarly will begin checking your writing as you type on supported websites. This is especially helpful if you write emails, post on social media, or work inside online documents every day. Next, let's look at the Grammarly desktop app. This version is great if you want a floating assistant that checks your spelling and grammar while you type across almost all your computer apps. That includes things like Notepad, email programs, browsers, and other desktop applications. To install it, go to the Grammarly desktop page and click Download. Your browser will save the installer file to your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file. On Windows or Mac, this will launch the setup process automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as the installation wizard guides you through the setup. Depending on your system, you may need to approve permissions or confirm where the app should be installed. Just keep clicking through the prompts until the installation is complete. Once the desktop app is installed, launch it and log in with your Grammarly account. After you sign in, Grammarly will connect to your account and begin offering writing suggestions in supported apps. You may also see the floating assistant appear as you type, which helps you catch mistakes in real time without needing to copy and paste your text into another tool. So to quickly recap, if you want Grammarly for free, you can create a Grammarly account on the official website, install the browser extension for web-based writing, or download the desktop app for system-wide grammar checking. Both options are simple to set up, and the free plan already gives you a lot of value for everyday writing. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more software guides, productivity tips, and easy step-by-step walkthroughs. And if you want, I can also show you how to use Grammarly's free features after installation so you can get the most out of it right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.